Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this month's Look Fantastic beauty box, and it actually arrived at my door today and it's still February, which is quite surprising. It usually arrives at the beginning of each and every month, but for some reason it's come to my doorstep quite early, and I'm actually quite excited about it because I'm getting really bored of February and I'm so excited for March because March is when my birthday is. So yeah, let's get cracking with the March beauty box. Hope it's going to be a good one because yeah, it's my birthday and it's going to be spring and the clocks are going forward and all that sort of exciting stuff. So yeah, I'm very hopeful for this month's beauty box. Also, just to mention, I haven't actually tried any of the products in this month's beauty box yet, just because it's only just arrived at my doorstep today and I haven't really had a chance. So check the space below. I'll have a blog post up within the next week reviewing all the products inside. But yeah, today I'm just going to show you what's inside this month's Look Fantastic beauty box. Okay, so this is what the design of this month's beauty box looks like, and I absolutely love this picture on front. I kind of recognise it, to be honest. I'm not sure if it's by a famous artist, etc. I'm quite naive to art, but yeah, if anybody knows then let me know down below, but if not, it's quite a cute print, I guess. This month's quote is, "I am fantastic, you are fantastic, we are fantastic. Hashtag LF Beauty Box." Then inside the box, as per usual, you get your Elle magazine of the month. Then the next thing inside the box, as well as per usual, is the Look Fantastic Beauty Box magazine. So inside the magazine, it says that discover this month's theme, it is beauty empowered. So March is all about what makes us feel beauty empowered. Beauty comes from inside and out, whether this be through self-compassion, confidence, or your favourite fierce eyeliner. This month we have caught up with two inspirational women and created bold looks, tips and tricks for you to enjoy. Also, we'd like to introduce you to Avant, a brand that aim to create confidence through beauty by sharing their expertise in creating a natural and holistic way of beauty. So be bright, be bold, and be confident. The Beauty Box team. Oh, that's quite sweet. So I'm already very excited with the contents of the box, just having a quick glimpse at it. I see one of the sneak peek products that was mentioned in last month's beauty box, so I'm going to address that product first. Yes, 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 yes. So basically, the first product inside this month's beauty box is a Balancing Moisturizer from the brand Untitled. I think that's how you pronounce it, Untitled. I don't know. I'm going to refer to the Beauty Box magazine throughout, just because it contains a lot of information about the products, and as I said, I haven't tried any of these products yet, so I want to give you guys a bit of an insight of what these products are, what they do, how you can use them, etc. So here it says, from the Hungarian brand, this moisturiser leaves skin feeling supple and balanced, whilst minimising pores and brightening complexion. Formulated to create light, cooling gel cream, this fantastic moisturiser provides long-lasting hydration. It is perfect for oily or combination skin and works well under makeup as a primer. How to use. So, it says here, apply liberally and evenly after cleansing to both face and neck. BB tips, use on cheeks, chin and nose prior to application of highlighter. The product contains ruby crystals which helps diffuse light, minimising the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, also giving you an instant glow. So, oh my god, great stuff. I've been really looking forward to receiving this product, and I do believe it's full size. It says it's 30ml on the back. Well, it seems like quite a large size product for a sample, if that's what it is, but I think we might be getting a full size product here. I'm going to list below in the bio and mention what products are full size and which ones are not, just so that's all addressed and you can refer back to that. But yeah, this is really exciting stuff. I absolutely love this brand from one of the products that I've tried before, so I have really high hopes for this moisturiser. I believe we got a product last year and it was a cleansing foam, and I absolutely loved that product, so high expectations for this one too. So I've just popped a little bit on my hand and it smells absolutely amazing. It smells just like the cleansing foam, so if you guys have ever tried that out, then you're going to be really happy that this product also smells exactly the same. And my god, it feels so smooth and refreshing. Oh my gosh. yeah, so hopefully this should turn out quite well. So next up we have something from the brand called Skimono, and this is what the packaging looks like. So this is a total conditioning foot mask. I've actually really recognised this packaging. I feel like I've tried the hand mask of this before in one of the previous beauty boxes. It had a green packaging, looked exactly the same, but this time it's for the foot. Now, I've never actually heard of a foot mask, so this could be quite interesting. I remember the hand mask from this brand and I absolutely loved it. It was really, really nice and refreshing and moisturising. My hands felt really smooth for a few hours after, so that's always good. But anyway, on here it says, pamper your feet this month with deep conditioning treatment featuring dual layer technology. This sock-like mask contains shea butter and olive oil to soften hardened skin and add much needed moisture. Separate the socks from the sachet along the perforations and pop your feet into the inner layer of the sock containing the beauty serum and secure the mask using the ankle sticker tabs. Leave for 30 minutes before removing and massage any remaining serum into the feet. If your feet feel hot or sore, then you can place the mask in the fridge for 30 minutes before use for a particularly refreshing experience. So yeah, I'm going to look forward to using that. As I said, the hand mask was absolutely amazing, so I'm assuming that the foot mask is not going to let me down either. So next up in the beauty box we have something from the brand called Renew Skin. This looks like a very similar packaging to Monu Skin. I'll show you what I mean by that. I mean, you see here Monu Skin and then you've got Renew Skin. So maybe they're from the same brand, just a different type of line. I'm not too sure, but I thought I would mention that. Anyway, so here we have an advanced anti-aging flash relax mask. This is for mature skin, instant facelift effect. So basically to use, you put this on 1 to 2 times per week, apply to clean skin, avoiding eye and lip areas, massaging well and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water. A slight tingling sensation may be experienced. Okay, that's interesting to know. I love a good face mask. I find them really relaxing. And even though my skin's not necessarily getting that old, but I do enjoy anti-aging products because I fear wrinkles so much. Anyway, on the actual magazine, it mentions here, say hello to bright, smooth skin with this fabulous mask that contains vitamin C and B5 to enhance your skin's radiance. A wonderful multitasker, this mask will also intensively hydrate your skin to keep it feeling soft, making it ideal for dry or mature skin. BB tips on here say, use this mask the day before a big event or night out to really pamper and leave your skin glowing and ready to go. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be using this the night before my birthday because I have to look amazing because it's going to be my birthday. So yeah, really looking forward to using this. And we've got 30 milliliters here, so quite a good amount. I would say maybe 2 to 3 uses inside here. I wouldn't say that this is a full-size product, but as I mentioned earlier, I will leave links down below to full-size products and also mention whether or not the products inside the box are full-size or sample size. Okay, so next up we have something from the brand Skin Chemist London. I've never actually heard of this brand before, so it should be exciting to try out. This is a Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. So it says here it's for boosting, plumping and for glowing lips. So yeah, let's have a look at what the actual packaging of the product looks like. So quite cute, simplistic, minimalist packaging. I love that it's also a sort of clear looking lip gel, so I guess it's quite nice. You can either have the choice of using this with a lipstick or without, and you still get that sort of lip plumping. So what this product kind of is reminding me of is, I don't know if you guys remember Soap and Glory's Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss. That stuff was absolutely amazing. It did the job, it plumped your lips, but it gave you that sort of vibrating, tingling sensation, which was kind of uncomfortable. I'm assuming that this does the same thing. It says here that this lip plump is bursting with active ingredients that will instantly plump and nourish, leaving you with hydrating and fuller lips. Blended with vitamin E, this must-have product soothes and protects against skin damage, not to mention that the peppermint oil helps to plump whilst also leaving a divine scent. lovely, that's good to know. Yeah, so it says apply to lips as it were lip gloss for needle-free lip plump. Okay, that's amazing to know that it's needle-free, so maybe they mean that you don't get that tingling sensation. Good that we don't have to experience that weirdness. Anyway, it says here for the BB tips, use alone for an instant shine or apply your favourite lipstick over the top for some added colour. So like I mentioned earlier, that's the sort of vibe I was getting from it. Good to know that you can use it with a lipstick or without if you're going for a more natural look. Then we have something that is really exciting. I've always wanted to try one of these, and yes, it is an oval face brush. It's quite a small one, as you can see here. I'm going to open it. This oval face brush is actually from the brand STYLONDON. So yeah, very smooth brush. I've never actually tried these sort of oval face brushes before. So yeah, very excited to try out one of these. I wish that they gave us a bit of a bigger one, but hey, at least Look Fantastic have been listening to us and have been putting a lot more makeup products inside their beauty boxes. So it says here that this brush is ideal for blending and contouring your favourite foundation, concealer, blush and powder. So it's kind of like a multi-use brush, which is handy. It's easy to grip and designed to be flexible, adapting to the shape of your face to give your makeup an even and flawless finish. How to use. Using a circular motion when applying your desired product. Slightly dampen the brush if blending a liquid-based product for a smoother finish. But yeah, I'm so excited to try this product up. So yes, Look Fantastic have really got it right this month. But anyway, last but not least, we have the last product of this month's beauty box, and it is actually a Freematic eyeshadow duo, and it comes in packaging like this. And it says on the top here that we get the shade 78 Kate and 81 Tenley. Okay, so I didn't think this looked like a eyeshadow duo at first. It kind of looks like an eyebrow duo. Oh. Right, okay, so the first thing that I noticed immediately is that the packaging is quite awkward. You have to slide to open it, and then it just falls off immediately. Like, I feel like that's quite poorly designed. Yeah, you can't just pick it off like that or fold it up. It's a slide off one, and yeah, quite fiddly. I'm just trying to slide it back on so I don't damage it. And also I've noticed at the bottom of these is that they've got magnets, so I'm guessing that you can put them in your sort of magnet makeup palettes, or maybe this brand has their own makeup palette that you can purchase. I'm going to get you guys up close so that you guys can actually see the swatches of these two eyeshadows. So yeah, overall I wouldn't really say that they're all that pigmented, but they are very pretty eyeshadows, and I feel like these are going to suit almost everyone. But yeah, quite interesting because I've never actually heard of this brand before. But one thing that I will immediately say is that they need to sort out this packaging because it's doing my head in, if I'm going to be honest. Anyway, so the brand is Duce. I can't really pronounce it. But anyway, it's Freematic eyeshadow duo. It says here that we guarantee that these gorgeous shimmer eyeshadow shades will add an instant sparkle to your look. Highly pigmented and customizable, the shimmer shade and versatility of Kate and Tenley shades will complement all skin tones. Enjoy effortless application also with rich, creamy and weightless texture, making them super easy to blend without smudging or creasing. How to use: use an eyeshadow brush, apply a solo colour or combine the two together to cover the eyelid, use a darker shade in the creases and the lighter shades up to the brow and blend well. BB tips: apply the eyeshadows dry for a more natural finish or wet for a long lasting and dramatic look. So exciting stuff. Anyway, I'm not going to judge these products because I haven't actually had the chance to try them out properly. Okay, but just one last thing before I let you guys go. Look Fantastic have added in this new feature where they give you a bit of a sneak preview of one of the products that is going to be upcoming in the following month's beauty box. So last month we got a sneak peek that we were going to get the product from Untitled, and now next month's box we're going to be receiving a product from the brand Glam Glow. That's so exciting. I've heard so much good stuff about this brand in particular. They're really raved about over the internet, and especially around the Christmas period, although I haven't actually had the chance to try out any products from this brand yet, just because they are quite on the pricey side of things, but nevertheless I get to try it out. I get to try out one of their products next month, and it's actually going to be the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. So there's a little snippet of it on the back there, just so you guys can see, and yeah, there's something to look forward to. I love that they've added in this feature because although receiving my box this month, I always get excited for what's coming up next, and to have this new feature where it gives you a bit of a sneak peek and something to look forward to, I think that that's really great that Look Fantastic have added that in. And I feel like it also helps some of the customers that are not on the subscription package decide whether or not they want to repurchase a beauty box the following month, just because of what the contents of the products are going to be. So yeah, I feel like that is a really good feature. Anyway, I'm going to stop blabbering on now. Blog post of the final review will be left down below within the next week or so, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date. If not, check out my social media channels, they'll also be linked below. I like to post on Instagram a lot and use the Instagram stories feature, so if you're not following me on there, that is where I'm posting the most, to be honest. So if you want to keep in the loop with my uploads, etc., then check that out. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!